The National Human Rights Commission (NHRC), in collaboration with the Danish Institute for Human Rights (DIHR), has organized a two-day workshop on the implementation of human rights education (HRE) in Nigeria's school system. Mr. Tony Ojukwu, Executive Secretary (NHRC), represented by Mr. Abdulrahman Yakubu, Director, Civil and Political Education of the Commission, said that the workshop was the second effort in promoting human rights education in schools.
The goal of Phase 1 and Phase 2 of the World Programme is to mainstream human rights education in the school system in order to guarantee a secured country where there is dissemination of knowledge about human rights, and also to promote universal respect for and observance of all human rights and fundamental freedoms. This workshop is therefore designed to further enrich the knowledge of participants on the implementation of human rights education in our school system, and also to develop strategies, build partnerships among stakeholders on the monitoring and reporting on integrating human rights education in our school system.
Deputy Director, Human Rights Education and Promotion of NHRC, who represented the Danish Institute for Human Rights, commended the collaboration of both commissions of surveys on human rights education.
In the case of Nigeria, the results that emerged from the survey have been very positive, as the Ministry of Education, the National Human Rights Commission, and the Office of the Senior Assistant to the President on Sustainable Development Goals, the Nigerian Education Research and Development Council, the Universal Basic Education Commission, the National Universities Commission, the National Commission for Colleges of Education, and the National Education Management Information System appear to have strong institutional histories and efficient programming.